Why there is no sound when playing a video using KMPlayer. So I started a video. It is being played by KMPlayer 64-bit, and the volume slider is here in the lower right corner, and there is no sound even if it's on 100%. In the upper left corner we have a clue. It's always showing volume 0. So we have a speaker icon also. Click on that speaker icon. Voila, now we have sound. Let's bring the volume down. So to have some sound you have to mute and unmute the video. You can press that tiny speaker icon also. There is some sound. Or you can press the M key on the keyboard. M is muting it, volume 0 is shown in the upper left corner, M on the keyboard is unmuting it. So if you want to have some sound, don't forget to unmute it, not just adjust the volume. You can use the up and down arrows also to bring the volume down, up arrow to bring the volume up. Right click on this video and go here to help and about, and there you can see it's KMPlayer 64-bit.